All right, I've been noticing in some of the YouTube videos that I've been posting, sometimes a few of the pages look to me like they're getting cut off. So I'm sure hoping that isn't the case here. If that happens, friends, would you and your parents please somehow let me know, because I need to know how to make it so that every time you can see it, okay? Today what we're working on is called Spell It Out. We have some sports pictures over here. This page is in the file that I sent to parents by email early in this week. And today we're going to do this one. So we're going to look at the picture. We're going to say the word. Then we're going to go to this column. We're going to see how many syllables is in that word. And we're going to write here the number of syllables. And then we're going to try and spell it. If I try to spell, I know what this is, football, right? If I try to spell football and I don't do it perfectly, is that okay? Yes, it is okay, because you are using phonetic spelling, which means you are using your mind to think of what it sounds like. You're sounding it out and doing your best, and that helps you learn to read and to spell also. So don't worry if it's not perfect. Do your best, okay? So let's start with our first picture. We have a picture of a football. So let's think. Let's clap out our syllables. Football. So how many syllables did we have? That's right, 2. So I'm going to write a 2 in that box right there next to the football, underneath the number of syllables. When I do how many syllables for helmet, it'll go here. See how each picture is next to its box, okay? So then I'm going to try and spell it. Football. Now, I can remember that we just had a lesson about the sound. Remember, we had like in cook. I have a picture of it over here somewhere. Here it is. Remember, there's cook. How did we spell cook? So I know it starts with the f sound. And then it could be O-O or O-U. Let's try O-O because that's more common. T, B, B, all. So that's the tough part right there. All. I could go a couple of different ways. I could think the word all is spelled A-L-L, but it also sounds like O-L. So I could go with what I think is best on that. I'm making a guess. Maybe I know that aw, O says aw. So then I say ol. And if that isn't 100% correct, but it's something that can be read, that is okay. Because we're still learning, right? Okay. Now some of you right now are going, oh, but that's not right. And that's true. This isn't the correct spelling. It would be F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. So this is an example of phonetic spelling, the way it sounds. Or you could do it correctly, foot, B-A-L-L. If you know what a ball is, this is a compound word, football, right? So you might know it there. So then you're going to go on to do each one of these. Now you're going to say how many syllables in helmet. Let's clap it. Helmet. Okay, then you write that number there. How about field? That is the field. So how many? Field. Good job. How about whistle? Whistle. Nice job. This could be looked at a couple different ways. I have to make a guess about what word that is. I'm thinking it means players. I think that's why they put those letters there. Those might be to help me know that's the beginning letter. Does that make sense? I think that must be why they have a P there. So P for players. Let's clap it out. Players. How many syllables? Good, put it there. Now this guy down here at the bottom, this is called a stadium. Let's clap it out. Stadium. How many syllables? Good job, 3. So now you're going to write each one of those words on the line. Helmet, field, whistle, player, stadium. All right, I'm going to leave that, and I've shown you an example. You get to do the rest. Have fun.